Hi, it's Charlie from Yorkshire Pergolas. We've just completed this project just outside of Hull. I'm struggling a bit today. I've got man flu, so you have to bear with me. It's Tuesday the 29th of October. This pergola is 3 by 4 meters. It's got a zip blind, an automated zip blind on this side, a 4 meter big blind on that side, and then on this far end elevation, which faces the fence, we put some of our sliding aluminium shutters, which look really quite nice. And we went with a colour. Obviously the customer wanted this, but we suggested the colour to match the roof louvres, because then you get a nice contrast. We've also got warm white dimmable strip lighting around the roof perimeter, obviously because you tend to use them quite a bit in the evening when socialising or relaxing. So yeah, all in all, a brilliant job. Fantastic people to work for. They're highly delighted, as our customers always are. So if you need any, I'll just show you these shutters actually, because they're pretty special. They slide, so you know you can easily get to your fence if you want to. And another nice feature about them is that you can have them, you know, like shutters in a house. You can have them open like that if you want, or you could just have maybe the bottom section open, but you can play with these to your heart's content. Oh, static electricity there. Yeah, that's not normal. Yeah, so if you want to know any more information, give us a call, shoot us an email on our website, and we'll be happy to talk to you. Thanks for watching. Thanks.